it's Jane from Dreame. This is our air purifier section, and I'm going to introduce you something really interesting. So this is our most powerful air purifiers. As you can see, it cleans air in just 10 seconds. This one covers 226 square meters and reaches up to 12 meters. And you can see how the number jumps up and quickly drops down.
Nice. So this is very powerful, very quick. PM20 Pro. Is it available?
It's not available yet, but we have PM20 is already on the market. And we have another cool thing. This one is a fan and a heater and an air purifier. So as you can see, it spins around 360 degrees with a heater inside, and also comes with a little filters at the back. So this one can do everything for you.
So how does it work?
So how this work? It comes with like two. Like this one is a bladeless fan. So you can see this side.
It's turning the whole
turning
system?
the whole system from side to side, from up to down.
To distribute the hot air all over the room nicely,
Yes.
all over,
Yeah.
or the cool air, as you prefer. But so does it also purify?
Yes, it comes with a filter, so it works as an air purifier as well. And next we have this cool thing. This is a fan as well with a like different shape. This one you can see
Spaceship. Is it a spaceship?
And this one comes with, you can see the light, the blue light. That's you, and when you move, the air follows you.
Oh wow!
This is because
It goes on me exactly.
Yeah, it got the AI sensor here, and it comes with a filter at the back as well.
Nice. And when this is the R20, is it available?
It will be available in Q3 this year.
Is there some prices already on these products?
Yes. So this one's $599, and that cool fan, that one is $299, and the $299.
That's like everybody in the world should get one.
Yeah,
Like,
that's right.
It looks so cool. It looks like futuristic. It looks like if you have this in a room, I feel like I'm in a museum a little bit, like a art gallery.
Yeah, we give it a nickname, Cyberfun.
Wow.
And we also have humidifier and dehumidifier. So this one you can see all the numbers and humidify your home in just a few minutes. And
Nice.
we
It's a
have,
strong humidification.
Yeah, and we have this one. So this is a dehumidifier. It has a really large 6-liter box at the bottom, and it has an air purifier as well at the back. So it's a 2-in-1 product.
So that's a DZ40.
Yeah.
Before it was the H40X. All right.
Yeah, and we have this thing. This thing is special. It's a waste disposer. So this is for any home. If you have like waste, you can put spaghetti, steak, veggies, fruits inside, and just overnight it will turn to like soy-like.
And you can put it for your plants?
Yes, you can use it as a fertilizer for your
Wow.
garden.
So it's a fertilizer generator
Yeah.
out of pasta noodles.
Yeah, and here, this one is my favorite. Why I like it? Because you can see all the furs it collects. It collects dog fur, cat fur from 360 degrees. And the cool thing is your cat might jump on the top, but it doesn't tip. It doesn't tip at all. So it's very stable.
So this is great for people who are allergic, but
Yes.
still want to have a cat.
Yeah, that's correct.
Nice. Or a dog. Dog and cat, right?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. And we have this one. This one just won.
Number 1.
Yeah. So this one is our most innovation products. It's a pet air purifier as well. But what makes it stand out is you can see the filter spins inside.
So this is a transparent version of the same?
Yes, so you can see the filter spins inside.
It's spinning.
Yes, and why spinning? Because there's a brush at the back, so it will scrub all the furs into this little case. That's why you don't need to clean your filter. Your filter stays powerful, strong, and has a really long lifetime.
Is it like a long lifetime, like years before you need to change the filter?
10 to 12 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
And also, it's great for all these little pets.
Yes, correct.
Is there a price on those two last products you show? This is the FP10, and before was a AP10.
Yeah, so the AP10 is already available. This is $399, and this one is $599. This one will be available in the end of March.
Nice. This is really a kind of like beautiful products, innovative. Must be fun to work on this product,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, we are really excited.
And all of the world, people can buy?
Yes, most of them are all over the world.